In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear tail lamp assembly on this Ford Ranger. The process for one side of the vehicle is the same as the other. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. We'll start with the tailgate down. With it in the down position, we can continue on to removing all 4 of our Phillips head screws. There's 2 along the outside and 2 on the inboard side. Inspect your mounting hardware as you remove it. Replace it as necessary. Let's get these in here. Let's take hold of that assembly and we'll start pulling it away. Keep in mind that there are wiring harnesses leading to the back. For each one of these wiring harnesses, take hold of it and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Give each of the bulbs a quick inspection. If it looks like they're burnt or damaged in any way, now is a perfect time to replace them. There it is, friend. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our new tail lamp assembly. Along the backside, we'll continue on with our 2 wiring harnesses. Go ahead and start those in and turn them clockwise to lock them in the proper position. At this point, we'll carefully tuck the wiring inside of the back of the body and we can insert the tail lamp assembly. Align all of your mounting bolt holes. Start them in and then you can snug them up. Now that they're all started, we'll snug these up. Double check to make sure it's completely secure. Okay friends, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, you want to make sure you test the lamp functionality. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.